Have you noticed how one tiny act of kindness can change an entire day? It doesn't have to be big. A smile, a message, holding the door, small things, but they travel far. There's a story I love. A woman's car broke down. A stranger helped her. He refused payment and simply said, "Just help the next person." She did. She bought lunch for a tired waitress. The waitress helped her elderly neighbor, and so the ripple grew. One inspiring act after another. Scientists call it the butterfly effect, how something small can create a wave far away. Once someone left a note on my car, "You are doing better than you think." It changed my whole week. I never found out who wrote it, but that little kindness still lives with me. So here are a few simple ways to pay it forward. Compliment someone, leave a note, buy a coffee, send a message. Share your time. Small acts lead to big change. Because kindness is contagious. Here are your Thrive 60 challenge. Do one small act of kindness today and tell them, pass it on. Imagine the ripple we could create together. So be the ripple. Watch the full episode on thrive60.com. Thank you.